Not everybody's cup of tea, but baby, she's my cup of tea. But baby, hello. Alright, hold on, y'all. I've been slacking on the water today, so. It is 8 o'clock here at night and I am slacking, so I have to drink all of this before I go to bed. So thank you so much for tuning in to this video. Definitely appreciate it. It's Mika Lynn. We are here. If you are new, or maybe you have been here for a minute, boo, clickety click the subscribe button. It's free. It won't cost you a bit. Make sure you drop me a comment down below, and of course share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. And guess what we are doing today? A wig lookbook, baby. Hello. Hello. So these units I am hoping are a winner chicken dinner, and guess what? They are under $30, and one of these units is actually $19.88. If you are interested in checking out the review for this unit, click the I wherever it may be. I will also try to remember to link it down below. Ooh, honey, who does not like a good bob? I certainly do. So this one right here, it is a synthetic unit in the color number 2, and I can already tell you that she is full, and she's gonna have me doing kind of the, you know, the shoulder thing where you kind of toss the hair back, baby. Oh, we about to get it swinging.
This text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we can run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. This text, I know it's a toss-up.
Oh, baby, I'm ready to, what? You talking to me? I do want to do one thing with this unit before I talk about it. I think I am going to just cut this off. Hopefully I won't mess it up. I'm just not here for the bumped ends, and I really think that's the only thing I don't like about this. Especially this side, it's just kind of screaming wig to me, you know what I'm saying? I would have preferred it just to have like a slight bump and maybe have it like this, you know? I think it would have looked way better. So all I did for this unit, straight out of the pack, I did apply some heat along the crown. I did open up the part. I only plucked out like maybe 5 hairs, and that was literally it. I did also curve the part, or just added, you know, a little bit of a curve to it. You cannot tell me that this bang is not banging, okay? One thing I would change, probably take this up either shorter, I don't know, y'all, or definitely take out this bump. Now you can try doing it, but it's usually a fail. So I'm just gonna leave it as is. You could possibly tuck it behind the ear. Maybe that'll look better. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, not everybody's cup of tea, but baby, she's my cup of tea. Okay, y'all, I got a pretty good feeling about this one once I brush out these curls. So this one is similar to the first one, however, okay, never mind, y'all, it's the same cap. So they both have kind of that stocking cap, really stretchy, comfortable cap fit, looks like. And I am noticing that the lace on both of these, yeah, try again. So let me go ahead and adjust my camera so you can kind of see it. So it looks okay. It looks okay, Bobbi Boss. Okay. So that's good. We're gonna, but yeah, baby, I think we're gonna make this one do what it do.
Text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? We was raised a little different. I used to be ashamed who I was. Now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note, or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash it. And we could keep the pace on slow, yeah. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost it.
$19.88. That is the lowest I have seen this unit for. And listen, when you were talking about an everyday wig, baby, I mean, it gets no better than $19.88. So for this one, it was pretty simple, straightforward, same thing out of the pack. I did apply some heat to the crown just to get it to lay a little bit flatter. It does have them dang filler hairs, and you could actually see them sticking up in the back. I would leave them as is. If you apply any gel, any spray to them like I did, this is what they're going to do. So that is my biggest gripe with this unit. Now, I know a lot of you are not going to be into the middle part. You can shift this to the left part. Right side, not so much. Be aware it is going to be a little crooked, okay? And I would also go in, curve the part, or round it out just so it doesn't have that wiggy vibe. For whatever reason, this side is not behaving the way I want it to. So I did have to fight with it just a little bit. Hairline is pretty basic as it can be, baby. I don't make the hairlines. I just try to slam, okay? The color is a little off. To be a 2, this is really dark. This is giving me like 1B, almost like a jet black vibe. And I think that's what's throwing off the natural look for both of these units. The thickness is okay. A little too thick for me now. You know, I'm kind of moving towards more natural density. You know, you want someone to look at your hair and be like, hold up, is that all you? You know, so this is, it's borderline too thick for me, but baby, hello. So if you are interested in checking out the information for Cobalt or Isabelle, I will have a direct link in the description box down below. I'll probably do the Google search link, or it will be linked to my Amazon storefront. So thank you so much to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button before you go. Drop your girl a comment down below, and of course share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.